YouTube, listen up, check it out. WavyKidKev had called me out on a challenge.
Hell no!
But today, I'm gonna do a symmetry challenge, okay? 2 people I know for a fact is gonna kill this is me and the 4th kid, okay? Cause let's just be honest, we really pay attention to our lineups, okay? But listen, I'm calling out 360 Jeezy. Since he don't want to vlog no more, we gonna get him to vlog. Oh yeah, sir, we gonna get you to vlog, and you better take this challenge, cause I know you personally. So yeah, 360 Jeezy.
Alright, WavyKidKev had called me out on the challenge, and yeah, I'll tell you about it. Let's go. Alright, WavyKidKev called me out on a symmetry challenge. I don't really know what he expects, you know what I'm saying? Like I do cricket lineups or something like that. I don't know what type of challenge this is, but we finna kill this challenge. Let's do it.
You took like 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours.
Girl, what's up?
Hey, Joseph, like, you're just now getting done with the ball? I would have been done with that. Was it that?
Alright you guys, so on that particular cut, he didn't want me to show how I did the enhancements, but he wanted enhancements, alright? So you gotta be sensitive to what the client wants. But I did show the after effect, but wait, we got something in the mail. Okay, I already kind of opened it up and took a peek, you know what I'm saying? Just wanted to show you guys. Yes sir. Remember Yeezy Day? Yeezy Day was not too long ago, and I ended up hitting on me and my son a pair of these. Alright, 350 boosts, alright? Yes, sir. I don't know what these are called, but I got me and my son a pair of these. I ended up hitting, and yeah, man, I'm very excited, man, that me and my son got a pair. I would have sold these if I didn't get my son a pair, but since I got my son a pair, man, I'm definitely gonna keep these, man. These is clean. Alright, let's go. Bring out the camera. Wait 1 second. Listen, that song is meant for my cousin, okay? The little kid, okay? But as the song kept playing and as people kept popping up, it just got weirder and weirder and weirder, and I was like, you know what? I have to explain, okay? To add some context to it, because it was because my cousin was cute, okay? And I was like, that's a good beat to put on there. But as it kept going, like I said, it wasn't hitting right. It wasn't hitting right. So let's get back into it.
Where you get your beats?
Alright, you guys, before I head out of here, let's just talk about a topic, okay, right now. Okay? Arlen, do I need you here? Okay? Alright, let's just say, okay, one of your co-workers, you know, they got a little stain, you know? Maybe they have a little stain. We don't know. I don't know. Would you A, pull that person to the side and tell them they have a stain? Or would you B, blurt it out in front of everybody and let the whole room know that that person has a stain? I don't know. But what I do know is that Memo did this to me. Memo, talk about it. You had it? Huh?
Did you say where the stain was?
Memo.
He had a stain on his shorts, and I was like, hey, is that a stain on your shorts? And that's all I said.
Memo, come on, listen. I had to go home and change my hoochie daddy short, okay, into some sweat shorts, okay. And then Memo here, Memo, explain.
They weren't here to like see, Jared. You gotta understand, bro. It was just it was at the moment, bro.
It was the moment.
Yeah, it was at the moment. Bro.
Okay.
Like,
Kev. You gotta know that this ain't no challenge. Come on, Kev. He said, oh, the ones that's really gonna kill this battle is me and fourth kin.
Two people I know for a fact is gonna kill this is me and the fourth kin.
Kev. I'ma end it with this. I've been doing this more than you.
How, Sway? Take a few steps back.
If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We vlogging now. Let's go. I'm out. Peace.